Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, the topic for week 8 is sentence. What is sentence? Before we define the sentence, we go back and define the clause. C-L-A-U-S-E, clause. What is clause? What is a clause? A group of words having subject, predicate, and complete meaning. This is the definition of clause. A group of words have the subject and predicate giving a complete meaning. For example, he is playing hockey. He, what is he? Subject. He is subject. Is playing hockey. Function. What is predicate? Predicate is the function of the subject. Is playing. Or predicate. And this group of words gives the complete meaning. So this is the definition of clause. Now we define the sentence. What is sentence? What is the definition of sentence? The same definition as the clause is. A group of words having complete meaning with subject and predicate. This is the definition of clause and the definition of sentence. Now the students, they will ask a question, what is the difference between these two? How we will be able to differentiate between two? Which is the clause and which is the sentence? So, difference. Most of the people, they do not know how to differentiate these two. Now, dear student, please listen it carefully. When we differentiate clause and sentence, please listen. Clause is the part of sentence. And sentence is not the part of clause. A sentence has many clauses. For example, when I saw him, he was reading a book. So, this group of words, when I saw him, clause. He was, clause. Now when I saw him, subclause. He was reading, full, complete meaning, subject, predicate, main clause. So this sentence has two clauses, subclause and main clause. And from when to book, this is one sentence. From when to book, one sentence having two clauses, main clause and subclause. So sentence, in other words, you can make your concept clear. Sentence is parent. And clauses are its children. and clauses are its table. So which thing is main? Sentence is main. Now the types of sentence. Types of sentence. There are 4 types of sentence. Number 1, simple. Simple sentence. A sentence which has one activity. He is walking. He is walking. Only one activity has been shown in this sentence. He is walking. One activity. When a sentence shows one activity, simple sentence. Number 2, compound. Compound sentence. Compound sentence. When a sentence has more than one activity. More than one activity. For example, he is singing and walking. He is singing and walking, 2 activities. When a sentence shows to more than one activity, it becomes compound sentence. Number 3, complex. When a sentence has one main clause and one subclause, and most of the time it is joined with the conjunction. When I saw him, he was reading a book. This is a complex sentence. This is a complex sentence. Number 4, compound complex sentence. Compound complex sentence. A sentence which has one main clause and more than one main clauses, subclauses. A sentence which has one main clause and more than one subclauses. More than one subclauses. That is called compound complex sentence. For example, while crossing the bridge, we were told that some guests are coming to see you. So when we make the different part of this sentence, while crossing the bridge, subclause, we were told, subclause, that is conjunction, and some guests are coming to see you, this is the main. So compound complex sentence. So first of all, sentence and clause and sentence having the same definition. After that, after giving the definition of these two, you will have to differentiate between these two. Sentence is main. So clause is the part of sentence. You will have to keep in your mind. The clause is the part of sentence. Sentence is not the part. After that, the types. When we discuss the type of the sentence, there are 4 types. The simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence, compound complex sentence. So dear students, I hope that you will keep the rules and methodology of the sentence in your mind, and you will always take the right one to increase your score. I hope that you will be able to make your ability improve in the best possible way. Thank you.